Today on the Garden Fix, we're going to take a look at a very special hydrangea. Hi, I'm Rob, and I'm in Zone 6B, Western Pennsylvania. Well, today I got a really special plant for you hydrangea lovers out there, and it comes from Proven Winners ColorChoice shrubs, and it is called Let's Dance Sky View Hydrangea. Now, what makes Let's Dance Sky View Hydrangea so special? First, let's talk about the blooming. It is a reblooming hydrangea. That means you're going to have long-lasting color all through the garden season. It starts blooming in early summer, and you will continue to have blooms all the way through fall on it. It's hardy in zones 4 through 9. So the second cool thing is that it blooms on new and on old wood. So that means if you have a harsh winter, for example, and you have some dieback on some of the branches or some of the buds that were set from the previous year don't make it through the winter, you are still going to have blooms a little later in the season, but you're still going to have blooms that gardening year. All right, let's come in and let's take a look at the flowers on this. So you can take a look here and you can see that the flowers range between a little bit of pink and a little bit of blue. And that's because we just got these and they are deciding what color they are going to be based on the soil that we have. Now, if you have acidic soils, you're going to probably have more of a blue flower. And if you have alkaline soils, you're probably going to have more of a pink flower. Now, some gardeners like us will add a little bit of aluminum sulfate to our soil to help the flower turn blue. So we will see if that happens. Hopefully it will. Now, I also think the foliage is really nice on this. It has a nice, rich, vibrant green on it. And that makes a nice backdrop for the flowers itself. Now, you don't have to worry about deadheading these. They will take care of themselves. However, if you do want to keep it a little bit tidy, of course, deadhead. Now, let's talk about the size. It is a compact shrub for a hydrangea. It only gets somewhere between 2 to 3 feet tall and 2 to 4 feet wide. So that makes it perfect for a mixed border like what we're trying to do right here. And it'll also look nice in mass plantings. Of course, you'll have a wonderful splash of color. And if you're into container gardening, you can definitely put it in a container. It'll look wonderful. Now, you want to make sure you plant this in moist, well-draining soil, and you want to make sure it gets somewhere between 4 to 6 hours of sunlight. Now, I strongly suggest that those 4 to 6 hours of sunlight happen in the morning, or else you may get some of the leaves might burn a tiny bit until the roots get established. I would think that the next year, the plant will be able to handle a little bit more sunlight, but 4 to 6 is still a lot. Now, if you live in the South, you might want to put it in more shade, of course. But if you live in the north, I'm sure that it would probably be more comfortable that way. You want to protect the roots until they get established. I'm sure that the next year, after the roots get established, plant gets bigger, you probably even handle more sun than that. Okay, if you're looking for a plant to light up your garden, if you're a hydrangea lover, if you're just a flower lover, you're going to get a lot of flowers out of this plant. This is the one for you. Let's Dance Sky View Hydrangea. Look for it. All right, guys, before you leave, click on the link below. Get your Garden Fix t-shirt. Buy it for you, your family members, your dog, somebody. I really appreciate it. Take a look. Click the link. All right, if you haven't already, like, subscribe, comment, and until next time, I'll meet you in the garden.